In this video, I'll show you how to put your iPhone in recovery mode. So this will be useful if you're locked out of your iPhone or you want to go and reset it back to its original settings. Now to do this, you first need to come over to a computer and you need to go and install the app called iTunes. Now I already have this installed, so I'm going to open up the app like so. Once you have this app open, we need to head over to the iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is turned on like this. You can then grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into the iPhone and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now once it's connected, we need to perform the following key combination on the phone. Press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side. Now I'll do this with you together now so you can see what this looks like. Quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side. Now keep holding this button down for around about 45 seconds. Eventually your screen is going to go completely black. Just continue to hold the lock screen button down. After about 10 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. You can then continue to hold this button down until you go and see the recovery page that looks like this. Now, as long as you have iTunes open on your computer, you're going to get this pop-up message. Now, from here, you can press this restore button, and this is going to restore your iPhone back to its factory settings. So you can see we can press the restore and update button, and that's how to go and recover your iPhone.